In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time tracking for members in Hubstaff. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly powerful for managing your team's work hours efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubstaff platform and log into your organization's account. Once you're in, the real journey begins at the dashboard. It's essential to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to make changes regarding time tracking. Usually, team leads or administrators have these permissions, so double check if that applies to you. Once you're logged in, the first step is to access the People tab. This can be found on the left-hand menu. Look for the icon that may sometimes resemble a group of silhouettes or just says People. Click on this to proceed. After clicking on People, you will see a list of members associated with your organization. Now, you're looking for the Members section. It should be prominently displayed. Click there to see all the members and their current tracking status. Now that you have the list in front of you, the next action is selecting a member you want to enable time tracking for. Scroll through the list until you find the individual you're looking for. This list might be sorted alphabetically, which makes it easier to find the right person. Once you've located the member, click on their name to open their profile or settings. With the member profile open, you need to locate the Actions item. This option is usually straightforward to find, often placed near the top or along a menu within the member's profile page. Click on Actions to see what options are available for this particular member. Finally, within the Actions dropdown, you'll see an option that says Enable Tracking. Click on this to activate time tracking for the chosen member. Upon selection, Hubstaff will confirm the change, ensuring that time tracking is now enabled for that member. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled time tracking for a member in Hubstaff. Remember, managing time tracking efficiently can significantly impact your team's productivity, giving you valuable insights into how time is spent on various projects. If you ever need to disable tracking or make additional adjustments, you simply follow the same steps and select the appropriate action. This flexibility allows you to adapt to changing project needs and team dynamics seamlessly.